We'll guide you through how to use Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Snapchat is a social media. It's quite unique as you go and communicate through photos and videos, although you can go and send messages as well. So to go and get started, make sure you've got a major account. The first thing you need to do is go and start adding people, as you can then go and chat with them. So what you can do is go to the top left. There you're going to have a profile icon. You may not have made your bitmoji yet. We can do it in a moment. Click on it in the top left and you're on your profile page. You can then scroll down into friends and you can go and click on add friends. Now mine does look a little bit different because I've already got people adding me, but what you can do is click on search and start searching for people you want to go and add, maybe who you know in real life. However, you can go through your quick add and you can go and look to see who else uses Snapchat in your contacts as well to go and add them from there. After you want to start adding them, what you can then do is come back to your profile page and you can come to the top here and go and create your bitmoji. You can go and click on it and you can go and start creating it. I already have one. Your bitmoji is essentially the character here. You can see mine. So the next thing we can then do is when people start adding you is you can go and chat with them. So what you can do is you can go over to the right and click on the camera button and you can go and send them a snap. You can go and just simply tap it to go and take a photo, or you can click on hold it to go and take a video, as you can see. And over to the right, you can go and add text, and there's loads of other different tools as well. You can go and see there, drawing, stickers, the list goes on. So we can go and send it like so, and they can go and open it. Now, if we come down to the bottom, you can go over to the left and click on the location mark icon, and there you can go and start using Snap Maps. This is where you can go and share and see your friend's location. Next, you can come down to the bottom and click on the camera. So here is where you can go and take snaps, and you've got a few other options at the bottom as well. And of course, you've got those different tools on the side there. You can actually go and add it to your story if you don't want to go and send it to somebody. And your story is essentially something people can go and look at. Your friends can, and they can go and see them, and people will go and add to their story throughout the day if they want to. If you're interested in viewing stories, you can go and swipe over like so. And at the top, you'll be able to go and see them, your friends' stories. You can also scroll through Snapchat Discover as well, and you're going to find different snap shows, as well as other content which you can go and consume. And just to come back to the Snapchat camera page, if you go to the left of the shutter button, you can open up Snapchat memories. So when you go and take a snap like so, you can go and click on the button over to the left with the arrow pointing down, and you can go and save it to your memories or your camera roll and both. And so that's it. I hope now you've got a good understanding of how Snapchat can go and work. If you found this useful, then leave a like.